guys, today I'll be making a video on the tips and tricks on your iPhone.
Have you ever wanted to clear all your notifications at once? Well, if you firmly press the X or press and hold on older devices, you'll get a Clear All Notifications button. This clears all notifications, including recent ones. If you hold the Tab View button, then you can close all your tabs. Ever notice that your control center looks a little bland? You can go to the Settings app and then go to Control Center and then click on Customize Controls. You can there see a list of more controls that you can add to your control center. Pick which ones you like. If you've ever found that moving your cursor around is annoying on iOS, there was a better way to do things. On older phones, hold the spacebar and then you can move the cursor around using the keyboard, like a trackpad. On newer phones, just press firmly on any part of the keyboard. For the iPhone XR, just press the spacebar. If you ever needed the level tool and don't know where it is, it's now in the Measure app. On the iPhone 6 and below, it's still in the Compass app. On iOS 12, you can now schedule Do Not Disturb in the Control Center. Just press and hold on older phones or have a firm press on newer phones to schedule it, and just pick an option there. On the iPhone 6s and above, you can do a feature called Peek and Pop. Add pressure to an email or another object, and you will see a preview of it. You can see some options that you can choose as well. Add more pressure to open it. On the iPhone 6s and above, you can just add more pressure to a notification to open it, instead of swiping over and hitting view. On older phones, you still have to swipe over and hit view. I've come across a lot of people who don't know what this is, but on newer phones like the 6s and above, you can add more pressure to an app icon to see more options about the app, such as redeeming a card or searching an app or something or reading a book, etc. An app that has no external options will do this.
This last trick I can't really demonstrate in any way because I don't really have any phones that are working right now, or that are, well, not dead, battery life, that have this problem. But what you can do is ask Siri to turn off cellular data, and it will make it so if you have no SIM card in, it will make it so it removes the warning completely. Well, sort of completely. If you're using iOS 10, then it will be gone for maybe a couple weeks. If you're using iOS 12, it'll be gone indefinitely. And if you're using iOS 8, then it doesn't really work. But just wanted to put that in there to let you guys know that.
So, did you like what you saw? Then hit the subscribe button down below and give it a like if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you all later. Bye guys.